What's up everybody, how y'all doing? I hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry Ado. If you're new here, I'm a musician from the Netherlands. I'm a full-time mom, I'm a sportive mom, and I vlog because I like to vlog. So welcome to my channel. Today I want to do something different. I'm gonna clean this beautiful couch, which is very dirty. Children spill food on it and drinks, and they're not even allowed to drink and eat on the couch, but sometimes when I'm not looking they just do it. That's how children do. And yeah, my couch needs a lot of cleaning. As you can see, I don't know if you see it very good, but here's a spot, and here, and here, and it's not very clean. It still looks very good, but it's not really clean. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I see on YouTube a lot of people trying to clean the couch, but they never really explain how to clean a couch that is made of this kind of fabric. You have to use certain equipments to make this couch clean. I already tried so many things and some of them worked, but it's just a lot of work. I think since a few weeks ago, I bought myself a steam mop, and I'm very happy with that thing because it makes my couch very nice and clean. So this is the steam mop that I use. I bought it on bol.com, and you can get it on Amazon, you can get it wherever you want. You have different types of equipment here, different types of bits that you use for different places. You can clean your bathroom with it, you can clean your couch with it, your carpet, even your wooden floor. I wouldn't advise that because it's wet and the wood will go up, the wood will come out. But it says that you can do your wooden floor, but you should do it on the lowest of the lowest in case you do that. But I didn't try it yet, I don't want to spoil my floor. So for this one, for the couch, I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna use this cap, and we need this to protect the couch from scratching. So as first, I'm gonna start with soaking my couch, because nobody's telling you that you have to soak the couch. You cannot just start steaming just like that. You need like a good soap, water, rub it in, let it soak for a little bit, and then you start with the steaming. So in case you didn't have no success yet with cleaning your couch, you might try this. So this is the soap I'm gonna use. It's green soap. Netherlands is called groene zeep. I'm just gonna use like a spoonful. This is very antibacterial. It helps you to clean any place in your house. You can use it for anything, but I just like it to use it for fabric because it also has a nice smell. Easy to clean off. It's easy to wash off. Well, in lack of a bucket, I use a pan, and I just add some warm water. So that is what I'm going to use to clean my couch. So this is what I'm going to use. You should use this kind of cloth, not like something to damage your couch, something soft. Make sure that the cloth is not too wet when you start rubbing your couch. You really need to take the excess water out. And then we just start rubbing. June is the month for me where I do like big spring cleaning. I just want everything to be sprinkling again and just fresh and new. Before you do this, You need to make sure your couch is dust free, and also that you rub the couch in all areas, because if you only hit like one area where it's dirty, then you will go and see the difference, the color difference, and I don't think you want that. The only downside of this method is you will see if it's clean when it's all dried up. And if it's not clean, you have to do it again. But mostly when you rub it in well, you only have to do it once. I always like to do big cleaning, you know. Just the thought of my house being so fresh and new again already makes me happy. It just pumps up my mood, pumps up my children's mood. Everybody just feels new and fresh. Oh, I can't wait for my house to be sparkling, sparkling, sparkling. So look at this water, it's very dirty. So I'm just gonna clean it once and then get back to work. But guys, this is like fitness. Today in the gym I trained my arms, so I think that my arms are still a little bit sore because of that, but yeah, it's good, you know, extra workout. Alright, I did all the surface of the bank. As you can see, it looks dark but clean. And now it's time for the steam mop to do its work. This is how you have to do it. You cannot only rely on this thing. I wish I could, because it saved me a lot of trouble, but we can't. Like I said, I bought this on bol.com. You can buy it on Amazon. It cost me 90 euros and you can clean literally your whole house with it. Even places in your car, you can use it anywhere. So this handy thing is to put the water inside without spilling. This thing is very handy. You just plug it in. It immediately goes on. It's warming, see, it's heating up. So I attach this piece and I put this one around. And voila. See how fast it's ready? It's already ready to use. If you want to have it very hot, you should put it on 3, but I will start with this one. So that's how you clean your couch. Now we have to go and wait until it's dry. I see there's a big spot here. I'm not sure if I can get it out, but at least it looks cleaner than it was before. If anyone has better tips on how to clean my couch, I'm open for it. I'm not saying mine is the best technique. I tried it once before and my couch was very clean. But if you have a better and faster technique, please share it with me, because I'm willing to learn always. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I'm going to continue steaming my couch, and at the end of this video I will put the end result. Tomorrow I'm going to clean a different part of my house, probably the floor, because it's also very dirty. So guys, stay tuned and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.